Hello friends, welcome to one more video. This video is difference between partnership firm as well as company. Watch this video. In a matter of minutes, I will clearly make you understand the concept of partnership firm as well as company. Let us see this question in detail. The point of difference. Establishment process. It is very simple. Easy and voluntary registration and no separate legal entity, whereas the establishment process of company is lengthy as well as complicated. Memorandum of association, article of association, if it is private public company, then prospectus. Therefore it is a compulsory, lengthy, complicated, compulsory registration, and the company will have a separate legal identity. Next point, number of members. Number of members in case of partnership, minimum 2 members and maximum 10 in case of banking and 20 for others, whereas in case of company, public company, that is minimum 7 members and maximum members are unlimited in public company, maximum 200 in private company. In public company maximum is unlimited, whereas in private maximum is restricted up to 200. Capital. In partnership firm can procure less capital compared to in case of company. The company can procure capital on a large scale through issue of shares, that is with the help of prospectus. The capital of the company goes in crores of rupees, which may not be the case in case of partnership. Next topic, transfer or part of the interest. Partner cannot transfer his part or interest without the consent of other partner, wherein in case of company, member can easily transfer the share, freely transfer their share. There is no restriction on transfer of shares. But in case of private company, there is a restriction on transfer of share of private company. Next, liability. The liability of partner is unlimited, whereas shareholders are not personally liable for the debt of the company, but their liability are limited up to the extent of the share held. Next, management. Partners themselves manage the firm or the business, whereas management of the company by director elected by the shareholders. Therefore, board of director does the management, whereas shareholder elect board of directors. Maintenance of secrecy. Secrecy of the business can be maintained in case of partnership, but in case of company it is very difficult to maintain because they have to publish the account to all the shareholders as well as on their website also. Next topic, life. The life of partnership. Dissolution of partnership due to death or insolvency or insanity of any partner, thus life is short, whereas existence of company does not end in the circumstances of death, insolvency, insanity of the member, thus life is long. The Dhirubhai Ambani is no longer, but the Reliance still continues on Tata Steel is more than 112 years old. Therefore, life of the company is more. Next, flexibility. Partnership is flexible. Sometimes one partner will manage or other will not manage. That depends upon the mutual consent. Whereas flexibility is difficult because they have to follow all the rules and regulations. Personal contact. What is personal contact? Partner can maintain direct contact with employee as well as the customer, but lack of such a personal contract is there in case of company. In winding up, what is winding up? End of partnership can be as per contract of or the circumstances determined by law or at will by the partners, whereas winding of the company is through fulfillment of law. Company is born by law and company comes to an end also by law, but it is not same in case of partnership. Friends, I will upload video on every Sunday, so please subscribe to our channel Pranav Classes. Please share if you like it so that your friends, brother and sister gets more mark. All the best for your exams. Thank you.